Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to yet another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aries. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin. Let's see what new wants to show through for you today. I hope it's new. All right. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, Judgment in reverse. Center of my spread, Aries. What happened here? Queen of Pentacles, upright. All right, that's you, I think. Standing strong, standing tall, doing very well, very independent, can take care of yourself now. So what's going on here? Aries, I think you're in self-love mode. I have a Queen of Cups here with the King of Wands in reverse. So maybe there's somebody around you who you feel doesn't put in work. And you are focusing 100% on yourself, not accepting any offer, not giving any offer. You've passed judgment on somebody, retreated. But somebody does want to come back, Aries. I'm sorry. I mean, this card keeps popping up for you all the time. Somebody does want to come back, and I do see communication. But I feel that, okay, I'm not going to reveal everything right now. What I'm going to do, Aries, I'm going to start with your dialogue message cards. Then we'll start clarifying these cards, okay? So, Aries and their person spirit, if they wanted to say something to each other, what would that be? Aries and their person. Aries and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Aries and their person. Oh, all right. Okay, I'm going to take a few more from here, Aries. Aries and their person, if they could say something to each other. Very volatile cards today. Okay, let's take a couple more from here. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Somebody is going through a lot of depression, Aries, and I don't think it's you. Okay. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. So somebody is being very inspirational here, Aries. Sometimes, one doesn't even know your words, your actions. It's like sometimes I get emails to say, you've helped me through the last 1 year with your, say, readings. And here I am sitting thinking, I wonder if anybody even, kind of really listens to these readings or how they feel, or is it just time pass or whatever. But you never know how your words can actually affect another person sitting far away to actually go through their day. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. Exactly. Isn't that exactly what I was saying today? I mean, right now. Yeah, so many cards saying the same thing, that somebody is going through a lot of depression, and it's maybe the thought of you that makes them just go through their day by day. I can feel your frustration I can feel your frustration with you not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. I think this is the other person. This could be you. Like, what are you depressed about and what are you thinking about? If you can't Yes, Aries, sometimes you are a little intimidating. People may find it difficult to come and express themselves. So, yes, you're saying, okay, write it down. I'll read it. You go to bed with someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else, and that just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. Yes, I think one person has passed judgment on the other person. One person has passed judgment on the other person. Maybe the other person had maybe brought in third parties, or it was suspected that they had other people. And I think one person, maybe you got very angry and said, hey, and now that person has gone under depression because they've lost you. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Lack of confidence. Don't let the past dictate the future. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. I think somebody's lost their patience. That if you can't be confident enough to come to me directly, then I'll keep motivating you. You can keep watching me and keep going through your days. But if you are not going to ever open up to me, ever really be forthright and be on my level, then yes, we can go our separate ways, because I'm not stopping for no one. That's what one person is saying. All right, so Aries, now let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to you, and then we'll start your reading. Steady progress. Yes, Aries, that's what I think you're on. You're not stopping for no one. You're making steady progress in your own life. You've decided, I have to be the best version of myself for me. I can take care of myself. I can earn my own money. I can take care of business. I can take care of home. And yes, if somebody needs to be with me, then they start bloody well making some steady progress, or maybe we should go our separate ways then. There is one person who's really confident now, and the other person who's lost their confidence. Alright, so King of Wands Spirit, who's this King of Wands in reverse? What do you want to say to us, King of Wands? King of Wands in reverse. They don't know how to take action. They want this fight to end. They want the other person to put their barrier down, but they feel if they do make the first move, it's going to backfire on them. Maybe some lies or some cheating behavior of theirs has been caught out, and all they can do is pray. All they can do is pray, manifest from behind the scenes. They're not actually doing anything. They're not actually making any steady progress. They don't know how. They don't know how. They feel, I've been caught out, my lies has been caught out now, and my person is very, very upset and angry with me. Now my person is no longer showing me anything. They are not putting in the effort, and this person really does want to come back though. They really want to come back. Six of Cups again. They really do want to come back, but they don't know how to put in any work, because they feel the person is still very upset and angry with them. Queen of Cups, what do you want to say? What do you want to say, Queen of Cups? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups says, listen, I have a lot of options, okay? I have a lot of options. I have a choice now. I have a choice here. I can make a choice. I have so many options in front of me. I don't want something who's going to always keep me up at night, stress me out. I'm done with all the stresses of the past. I'm looking for somebody on my level. I'm looking for a King of Pentacles to be alongside me, who's the Queen of Pentacles, or vice versa, right? I want somebody who's going to give me unconditional love, where I can have absolute happiness with. And yes, I now love myself. I've learned self-love, and I'm in that position where today I can make a choice among all the choices which are in front of me. Now, on the other end, this person is going under a lot of depression. Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, because they feel that they were the ones who had the upper hand earlier, maybe. They were the ones who were playing mind games. They were trying to be the stronger one and always, misuse the love this Queen of Cups was giving them. But now they feel that in all this game playing, they've lost out. They've become the loser, and that's really got them depressed. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Yes, they've lost hope that they'll even get a second chance. Whatever fight or something happened here. Maybe you guys had an argument or fight, or some harsh words were spoken. Maybe somebody said things they shouldn't have said. And you know how words are. Once they're spoken, it's very difficult to retreat from those. They'll always be remembered or brought up in a conversation sooner or later. This person feels that whatever has been said in this fight, they feel, I will never get a second chance now. I'll never get a second chance. And yes, they feel this Queen of Cups has cast judgment on them now. Judgment in reverse, Spirit? Yes, because a lot of their secrets came out. What happens in anger, Aries? Whatever happens when you're very angry and you say things suddenly, a lot of secrets which you never intended the other person to know also get blurted out, and some secrets have come out. Some secrets came out in this fight, and I think, Aries, you took back control of your life. You took back control of your life. You are the emperor, right? And you decided, hey, if that's the way you're going to behave, then I'm pulling back my power. I can jolly well, take care of myself and bring balance and healing into my own life. And you retreated. You took a step back. Now flip the energy. Could be vice versa. I don't know. But I'm reading it as, Aries, that you did that. You took back control and power of your own life. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Yes, and since you did that, Aries, since you stopped fighting for this connection, or you just kind of decided, I'm done here, I'm not going to do this one more time with you, and you stopped playing their games, I think luck started favoring you. The Wheel of Fortune. Good karma started coming to your life, and you are happily, I think, moving along, in a very good way, where you're feeling that things are finally in flow for you. Maybe your abundance, your money is in flow now. You're feeling much better about yourself. This, whatever little step back you took and rejuvenated, it's actually worked in your favor. So now what do we have here, Spirit? Six of Cups. Six of Cups. I think for a while you guys have not been talking to each other. There's been a long delay here. A long delay while... yes, a long delay, but somebody still sees you as their wish fulfillment. Somebody still sees you as happiness. One more, Spirit, for the Six of Cups. Yes, I think you've moved on, and this person has also been in reflection mode. I think they've been thinking about whatever they've done. They've been thinking about all the past memories, all the good memories, and during this time of no communication, all this delay, all this, feeling that they've been judged or whatever, I think this person's also been judging themselves. And they've realized now their happiness lies with you. Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands. One more for the Eight of Wands. Aries, this person wants to communicate with you. This person either has or will want to communicate with you. They want to talk now, they want to talk about why there was a conflict between the two of you, what was said or what was done. They want you to drop this fight if possible. They are desperately wanting to now transform this connection once again. They have recognized that you are this Queen of Pentacles, which was the overall energy of our reading, right? Somebody is now seen the value of you. Now, masculine, feminine doesn't matter. This is like that perfect spouse you would ever want in your life. This person now wants to make steady progress, Aries. They want to start putting in the work. Now, whether you allow it or not is a different matter. It's absolutely your free will. But whatever this time apart, not only did you judge them, but in this time apart, I think they have gotten time to reflect on their own bad behavior. But it ends still with the Hermit card. Spirit, why is that? Hermit? What's this Hermit card? Hermit? Hermit? Sideways cards. I don't want, Spirit. This is a very important card for us. Please give me clear messages for this Hermit. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right. Oh, God. Aries, somebody wants to come out of this feeling of sorrow and regret. Okay? They want to come and reveal what they've been hiding all along. And you know what that is? They are absolutely clear now in their heart, mind, and soul. They know exactly who you are to them. You are their soulmate. You are their Two of Cups. Whatever time this person has spent in hermit mode has enlightened them to that degree where they are not confused any longer. It's crystal clear to them. I mean, whatever shadows or dark energies were around them have been removed because of this time that they've taken to retreat. This hermit mode for them has been a revelation. They're no longer sitting in the dark and fearful or scared or, hiding behind the truth or anything like this. This person, I think, does want to come and talk to you and tell you that they think you're their soulmate. I don't know what to say, Aries. So I'm going to shut up. Next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.